Good afternoon. Okay, we have Oi. Hello, Oi. Good afternoon, Oi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You finished your lunch? Have you taken your lunch already, Oi?
Yes.
Have you finished taking your lunch? And then you... Okay, what did you eat, Oi?
What?
What did you eat for your lunch? And Boa is here. Hi, Boa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Teacher Lilibet.
Good afternoon. Have you taken your lunch already?
We eat already.
Okay, very good. You have to eat healthy foods, okay? Hello, Em. Hello, Em. Good afternoon, Em.
Blood M.
And Em is
Good
here.
afternoon.
We have Boa, Oi, and Em. Good afternoon, Ka. Okay? So let us wait first. Let us wait first for a while. Okay. And we also have, okay, let us wait first. And Marine, we have Marine. Hi, Marine. Okay. Good afternoon, Marine.
I know.
What?
Mommy is same teacher.
What, Marine?
Mommy is same teacher. Mommy.
Tell me what?
Teacher. Me is so. They teacher. It's beautiful.
Teacher Lilibeth.
So
Teacher Lilibeth.
wow.
You are asking why the internet is not okay, the internet your internet is not too good. Okay. Okay, you are pressing Marine. I cannot hear you well. Okay, but it's okay. You can so we have here Oi, Marine, Marine, the internet of Marine is not so good. Okay, we have Oi, Boa, and A. Okay? Okay, welcome to our math. Today is our math, okay? So I prepared this one for you, for your math. Let us start now. I prepared this one for you. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so we have here Oi, Boa, Marine. Oh, Marine is back. Marine and Aim, okay?
Teacher, I don't see teacher. I don't see teacher.
What did you say, Marine?
I don't see teacher.
You cannot hear me?
Yeah, I don't see.
And you cannot see me?
I don't see teacher and don't have internet.
You cannot see me?
I see a lady. I don't see. Have tree. It don't have teacher.
Oh.
It internet.
Your internet is not too okay. It's okay, Marine. Slowly, it will go back. The internet will sometimes off and sometimes it will be okay, okay? So let us just continue, okay? We are now in our math. For our math for today, let us practice writing to hundreds, okay? Let us practice counting and writing. Okay, let us continue. Okay, you have to read along with it, song. This is a very nice song, okay? Let us practice counting. Okay, counting from 1 up to 100. Okay, let us go to this one. I know you are very good at this one already, but you have to help me. This is a review, okay? Okay, this is a review. Look at this one. Okay, let us start. Help me fill in the missing numbers, okay? All of you, Mary, Coy, by Boa, help me fill in the missing numbers, okay? Okay, look at here.
I know, she's sure.
Okay, let us start now. Are you ready? Start now.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Boom. Left hand.
Hooray.
Left hand.
Hooray.
Okay, now let's go. 1,
2,
2. Come on.
Teacher, I don't know teacher.
7. Okay, look at here.
ต้องพูดตามที่
All of you open your mouth. All of you look at here and open your mouth, okay? We have many things to do in this one. Okay, 12. Irene, look at here.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 33,
All of you open your mouth.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44,
Very good.
61,
Very good. 100. Okay, you are all very good already. Very good, K3. I am so happy. Okay, now let's go counting by fives. You know counting by fives, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go now counting by fives. Okay, look at here first. Okay, look at my arrow, okay? Let's count by five. Counting by five. Are you ready? Counting by fives. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, boom. Okay, ready, set,
Yes.
hooray. Right there, you have to say, hip, hip, hooray. Okay, let's go. Counting by five. Start. Five.
Counting by five.
Yes, counting by five now. Okay, 5.
6,
10.
5, 10, 20,
Look at my arrow.
65, 75,
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, let's start. Okay, look at my arrow. Here, have to stand. Look at my arrow. Okay, 5.
10,
Yes. Yes, very good.
20. 25. 25. 30. 35. 45. 40. 45. 45. 50. 55. 60. 65. 70. 75. 80. 85. 90. 95. 100.
Very good. Okay, again. You are very good in counting by fives. Okay, let us do it again. Okay, more faster. Okay, more faster. Look at my arrow. Look at my arrow again. Counting by five. Five. Okay, start now. Start. Look at my arrow here. Okay.
10, 25.
Oh, no. Look at here. Okay. Oh, no. Look at here. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Start now. Okay. Okay, start now. 5.
5.
Look at my arrow.
10.
Okay, you can count by 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 35, 40.
1 by 1.
Okay, no. All of you first. All of you first. Okay, all of you first. Okay, again. 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60,
Open your mouth, all of you.
65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 95, 100.
Yes, you are very good. Now let us go to counting by 10. Okay, counting.
1.
Now let's go to counting by 10. Okay, 10. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 10s now. We are in 10s now. 10. Look at my arrow.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, very good. Again.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, you are very good. Now I will go. Okay, Marine, I am by Boa. I hear your voice. Oi, can you look at here, Oi? Oi, can you count by fives? By fives, Oi? Okay, let us go for Oi first. Oi. 5.
10.
15. 20.
25.
Yes. 30.
40.
Yes.
50.
Yes.
60. 75. 85. 95. 100.
Very good. Okay, counting by 10. Sorry, counting by 10. 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Okay, very good. Now let's go. Very good, Noy. Okay, let's go to M. M. Are you there, M? M?
M is sleep.
M is sleeping. Okay, let's go to Marine. Okay, Marine. Counting by fives, Marine. Counting by fives.
10.
5.
5.
10. เดี๋ยวก็จบแล้ว
25.
น่ะดูเขาเรียนอยู่น่ะ
35.
น่ะฟัง
45.
เนี่ยลูกยายเสือไม่เห็นไหมคนเป็นโควิด
65. 70. 75.
นี่เนี่ยพูดคนเดียวอยู่เนี่ย
85. 90. 95. 100.
Very good, Marine. And let's go to counting by tens, Marine.
เขาเห็นน่ะเขาพูดน่ะเห็นไหมน่ะเขาอ่าน
20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70.
ลูกก็พูดอย่างเขาพูดนั่นแหละ
ไม่รู้คนเดียว
Yes, very good, Marine. Very good. Okay, now let's go to Paipoa. Paipoa, are you ready? Counting by fives, Paipoa.
5, 10, 20,
15.
55, 20, 25, 30,
ฟัง
35, 40, 45, 50, 55, มันเป็นไร
ฟาดมันเป็นไรฟาดเป็นอย่างนี้
65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Okay, very good, Paipoa. Okay, let's go to counting by tens, Paipoa. Counting by tens.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 100.
Okay, you are all very good. So Paipoa, Oi, and Marine, you are all very good. How about Aim? Are you still there, Aim? Aim, are you there? Okay. So you know now how to count by fives. Okay, K2, K3, counting by five and counting by tens is very important. Okay, you need to keep practice counting. Okay. Okay, now I want to go to this one. Have you practiced counting by 2? This one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By 2. Huh?
10, 9.
No, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That is counting by 2. By 2s.
I know.
You know it?
I don't know.
No, counting by 2s, okay? 22, 24, 26, 28. Because you are very good at counting already. And you are very good in counting by 5s and 10s and 1s. Now you can go to counting by 2. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Okay, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. This is counting by twos. Okay, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay? That is counting by twos. Okay? Okay. So, yes, you have to also practice that one. Okay, but not this time. Okay, but counting by twos, not this time. So for now, our time is already up. I want to say thank you, and you are all very smart, K3. Okay. You are all very, very smart. I am so happy and very proud of you, okay? So for our math, I just want you to keep practice counting. And okay, keep practice counting by ones, by twos, 5, and 10, okay? You are all very good, K3, okay, in counting numbers. So this is all for today, and I want to say thank you. You are also smart. You are answering all the question here. So thank you so much, K3, and this is all for today. I want to say thank you and bye-bye for now. See you again tomorrow.
See you again tomorrow.
Okay, see you again.
Number 2, go home. Teacher, number 2, go home.
Yes, 2. Yes, you will. Our class will finish at 2 o'clock. So thank you for now.
Me.
Bye. Tomorrow. Right hand side.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Study hard. Thank you. Bye.